Hello, today we are going to talk about Central Bank of India Home Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Central Bank of India Home Loan. Having monthly salary which is fit to cover EMI. Applicant age should be between 18 years to 75 years. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 10 lakh to no limit. Tenure will be 5 years to 30 years. Login fees will be nil. Rate of interest will be 8.50% to 10.40% at reducing rates. Turnaround time is 3 days for salaried and 7 days for self-employed. Insurance and other charges will be nil. Foreclosure charges will be nil. Processing fee will be 0.50% of loan amount subject to maximum 20,000, waived till 31st December 2023. Part payment is allowed. Home loan OD product is not allowed. LTV will be if loan amount is lower than 30 lakh to 90% of registry value. If more than 30 lakh to 75 lakh 80% of registry value, if more than 75 lakh to 75% of registry value, if loan for repair and renovation 70% of market value. Products are new home product, plot purchase plus construction, seller BT, BT plus top-up, home renovation. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 3 years. Job experience for salaried person is 2 years. Experience with current employer should be 3 months. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Central Bank of India Home Loan: zero login fees and processing fees. Up to 48 months moratorium without disbursement in case of construction. However, at first disbursement taken, then moratorium will be 6 months, 3 months moratorium for repair and renovation of house. Location will be 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. There is no negative profile. Negative properties are other than approved property. There is no specific product for professionals. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2 year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if own residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.